Welcome back again to my channel, and in this video we're just going to talk about how to make an email campaign in System.io. Alright, so as you can see that we have already some leads in our System.io, and this is because of the funnel that we have, which is just getting some few audience. So we can show you the funnel that we are going to get the make the campaign email campaign for. So this is the read funnel. So people will just came here who are interested to get this ebook. They will just enter their last name. They just have to enter their last name and email, then they will just have to download this ebook. So if you can just translate, you can see everything, get the ebook. And so this is just a good funnel, a simple funnel you can make to generate the leads for your audience, from your audience. So this is the thank you page as well. So this is the thank you page. So if you want, you can just edit it as you want. And so if you want to make an email campaign, you just have to come here to emails, create campaigns, and then here you see the option to create a campaign. So click on the create plus button, and here you have to rename your campaign. So then here you have to create like a because we are just selling an ebook, we're just going to say like 4 tips for selling as an example. So then here you have to write any description that you want, so it doesn't have to be more. So this is just an ebook, and then click save, and then here you have your campaign. Here you have to click here, and then here you see you don't have any campaign here set up, so just click create here and click the subject as ebook, and you see the sender email. You have to, then you can just choose classic editor or visual editor. So just let's go with the classic one, this will be better. You see the subject as ebook, and here you can just say hi, and here you can customize as like last name, because you are starting with last name, and then hi, then thanks for your interest in the ebook. Here is the attached file. Here is the attached file. I hope you will find it helpful. So you can just go ahead and type more, everything that you want, and if you want to attach any file here, you can just, and then I will just click save. And in order to publish it, you just have to click here, save and publish, choose select this one, and then here you can just choose when to send this email. For example, 1 day, after 1 day, or after hours or minutes. For example, you can say after 2 minutes this email have to be sent. When the person when your audience subscribes to your email for the ebook, they will get the ebook right away after 2 minutes or after a few minutes. So you just have to customize how you want this to be customized. For example, I can say after 1 day, after 1 day, or after, for example, 5 minutes. Yes, click save. And then another thing you have to do is then you have to make your funnel. So just go to your funnel, select your page, select your funnel, then here you have the automation rule. Here you can just come and create your rule, add the rule, and when someone subscribes from our funnel, from here to get an ebook. There will just be when someone subscribe from final step from subscriber, then click here and add an action. They will subscribe to the campaign, and here you have to choose your campaign. This is an existing one you have, or you can choose this one. So because this one is just for testing, I will rather continue to choose this one and save the rule and save it as like this. And here we have our automation, and if someone will subscribe, it will show that they have subscribed. As an example, this is the campaign that we have already made, and you can see that there is 11 contacts, emails sent, already opened 27%, total clicks 0 because there is no clicks, there is no links inside of the email. So if you want, you can just add campaign emails, photos, whatever, so how you want. And if you want, you can also here add the contact by manually. So and you will see all the leads that you will generate inside here. And you can, another thing you can do is you can just come here and create the more emails as you want, more campaigns as you want, and you can just customize to be sent after a few days, after whatever, and you can also have access to send them manually. Alright, so this is all about the email campaign, and thank you for watching this video. If you find it very helpful, please remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel, and let's meet in the next videos. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comment below. Thank you.